2015 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, backup camera, premium wheels, anti-lock braking system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.